Let's take a look at how to set up background color. First, we're going to change the page to pink. And in CSS, the property is called background-color to define the background color for HTML element. So here, we change the body style to background color pink. And let's take a look at the example. So here, there's a code, and then the result is here. So whole page is pink now. And here's the JS Fiddle link. And then you can click it to see example. And then on the top, let's take a look. Okay, edit in JS Fiddle. So in JS Fiddle, what can you do? Here it says fork. So this is my example. And you can click the fork and then change the name and it becomes your fiddle. So then after you fork it, you change the color to the color you want. Okay, so now go ahead and try it. Customize your own background color.